Coming to you from the floor of the CME Group, I'm Eric Wolfman Wilkinson. It's Thursday, November 9th. Sorry about yesterday, a little mix-up between me and Coffee. Coffee thought I was busy, but you know what, guys, I'm never too busy for you. I'll come in on the CMZ anytime you ask me. But anyway, let's get on to the markets. This morning, overnight, basically we got really good information out of the Eurozone. It looks like Greece is going to come up with austerity measures for the workers that are still have a job. Well, what does that mean for you and I? Well, we get to watch tomorrow on the news rioting in Athens. All right, you're not going to miss that. Then basically after that, a little bit later, the jobs numbers are still looking a little bit better. We had initial jobless claims come in a little bit lower than what was expected. That kind of sent the stock market even higher after the news of Greece coming up with austerity measures. So now we got the equities firing on all cylinders. Treasuries started selling off on that, but treasuries are still holding strong, which has got to make you wonder what's going on. Treasuries can't be holding on while the equities are really popping up. Equities did get above that S&P level that I've been talking about, 1344. That's going to actually act as a support now. So 1344 is your support. It looks like we're going to be trading up to that 1363. Sell puts. I don't know if it's going to happen by Friday now. We're sitting above this. I thought it might happen by Friday. It doesn't look like it's going to really happen now. Then basically going on to the grain room here. The grain room's seen a lot of volatility with Ben Bernanke talking yesterday. Easy money still on the table. Doesn't care about inflation, cares more about jobs. Probably a good thing right now. Inflation does seem to be holding off a little bit, but that's basically because your house is coming out, still falling. Even though these equity prices have spiked up today, we've seen about a 15-cent range almost today. They were down about a nickel, then up about 8 or 9 cents not too long ago. We're starting to see that trail off again. But if you guys want to stick around for the end of the show, which you should, that's when I give out the numbers. And right now we got the corn right now trading around 140 or 643-ish. That's going to be your support. We're 646 traded up. 652 is on the high end. That's my major resistance area. It's going to be a magnet right here at 644 or 644, 643. Support if we get below that, 638. We saw that tested early this morning in trade. Popped back off of that, rallied up right into the resistance area. So, you know, you're going to see a lot of that going on with the corn. It's a really good trade to get off of on these numbers, all right? Take that. Then we get on to crude. Crude with this easy money policy sent it up. It's looking to test $100 a barrel again. That's basically the key psychological level everybody's looking at. 99.80 is basically my resistance area. If we get above that, it can go up to $100.80. That's my next resistance area above that, 101.84. All right? So look for those kind of things with this easy money policy. You're going to start seeing commodities pop a little bit. On to the S&Ps. 635 or 1335 is basically going to be my support. Magnet 1344. That's basically been where the volume time has been spent. That's where it's wanting to migrate to. But like I said, if we can start trailing up, 1363 looks like it's pretty easy. I thought it was going to be by Friday, like I told Sell Puts, Killer, and everybody else on Twitter. But you know, maybe next week is when we're actually going to see that. All right, take that. Then on to the bonds. Bond support. I got 141.04 is going to be support. Once the trail around this 140, 130 area, that's going to be your magnet. Resistance on the up end. I don't know if we're going to see that anytime soon just because equities are popping up. We're going to see a little bit of downward pressure in the treasuries. 142.19. All right? Sorry I missed you guys yesterday, but you know what I got to say. If you can't take that, take it easy.